Insert a circle. Duplicate it, and make it smaller. Select both. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, Fragment. Delete the inner circle, remove outlines, and add color. Duplicate, shrink, and place it inside the first. Insert a tiny circle and place it exactly in the center. Group all shapes, Ctrl+G. Go to Format Shape greater than 3D Rotation and choose an isometric or perspective angle. Insert a transparent target arrow PNG. Resize and align its tip to the center circle. Add 6 thin rectangles, 3 on each side. Add colors, numbers 1 to 6, and your descriptive text. Duplicate the slide. On slide 1, move elements outside the frame. Apply Morph transition to the slides.